Beyond mass timber's environmental benefits and structural capabilities, which have been mentioned in previous videos, mass timber also boasts impressive acoustical properties that make it an appealing choice for architects and designers looking to create acoustically pleasing spaces such as the Wisdom in Stockholm, Sweden. In this video, we'll be going over mass timber's design flexibility, warmth and naturalness, sound absorption and sound insulation. Design flexibility. Mass timber offers exceptional design flexibility, allowing architects to create custom shapes and integrate various materials seamlessly. The ability to shape mass timber into unique forms also enables innovative architectural designs. Perforations can be easily incorporated into timber panels, enhancing acoustic performance by absorbing sound and reducing echoes. Furthermore, other materials such as wood fiber can be incorporated into the panels to improve the sound absorption even more. Warmth and naturalness. One of the standout benefits of mass timber is the ability to diffuse sound waves naturally, contributing to a warm and inviting acoustical environment. The fibrous structure of wood helps scatter sound waves, reducing harsh echoes and creating a more pleasant auditory experience. This natural sound diffusion, combined with the inherent beauty of wood, adds warmth and character to spaces, making them more comfortable and inviting to occupants. This is perfect for places like waiting rooms, for example. Sound absorption. Mass timber's ability to absorb sound is influenced by factors such as installation methods and thickness. The sound absorption coefficients of wood-based materials can vary significantly, depending on frequency and surface treatment. Untreated wood panels typically exhibit lower absorption coefficients, while treated surfaces, such as acoustic timber wall paneling or slotted cedar with mineral wool, show much higher absorption, particularly at mid to high frequencies. The inherent porosity and fibrous structure of wood contribute to its sound absorbing qualities, making it suitable for environments where acoustic performance is critical. Environments such as residential buildings and theaters. Additionally, the elasticity of mass timber further enhances its sound absorbing capabilities, allowing it to effectively reduce noise levels within spaces. Sound insulation. Mass timber, despite its lower density compared to steel or concrete, can achieve impressive sound insulation properties when coupled with strategic design approaches. While not inherently as sound resistant as its denser counterparts, mass timber's acoustic performance can be significantly enhanced through thoughtful engineering. The addition of acoustical mats or denser materials such as concrete or gypsum to mass timber structures can effectively increase the overall density, thereby improving sound insulation. Structural isolation, which involves separating building elements to reduce sound transmission, is also particularly effective in mass timber construction. With careful consideration of these factors, architects and engineers can design mass timber buildings that not only meet but often exceed acoustic performance requirements. This makes mass timber a viable option for even noise-sensitive environments such as residential complexes. Conclusion. So in conclusion, mass timber offers a unique combination of design flexibility, warmth, natural sound diffusion, and effective sound absorption and insulation. These features make it an attractive choice for architects and builders looking to create aesthetically pleasing and acoustically efficient spaces. As mass timber continues to evolve, its applications in architecture are likely to expand, offering innovative solutions for various building needs. If you haven't already downloaded the mind map that includes all of the benefits of mass timber, head over to our Patreon page. There you can see and download the mind map for free.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.